Where is the fuse box located in your 2022 Nissan Murano? What do the fuses control and how can they help you troubleshoot electrical issues? In this guide, we'll walk you through the fuse box diagram and location, making it easy to understand and manage your vehicle's electrical system. Engine compartment fuse panel. The engine compartment fuse panel in the 2022 Nissan Murano provides essential circuit protection for key vehicle components. It houses high amperage fuses that safeguard systems like the engine control unit, cooling fans, and ignition system. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2022 Nissan Murano protects various electrical components, including interior lighting, power windows, and infotainment systems. It is conveniently located for easy access and fuse replacement.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.